Alright guys, I'm working on this 2014 Jetta, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil change light. First of all, you have to turn off the ignition complete and then hold this button. Okay guys, make sure you hold the button while you turn the ignition and then let go and press one more time, and then we come to the left side, left button, press on it, let go, and that's it. It's reset. So that's it. For 10,000 miles you don't have to do your oil change. That's when you use synthetic oil only. So you turn off the ignition, hold it, turn it on while you're holding it, and then press this button once, and that automatically reset it. Alright man, if you guys have any questions, please text, and don't forget to subscribe, leave comments. Thank you guys.